So what do you do when one of your ear pods is working and the other one is not? Well, I'm going to share with you possible reasons as to why that could be happening to you. Maybe one ear that you have isn't working and the other one is. That could be a possibility. But that's something that you're going to have to take care of. But there is some mechanical issues or issues, hardware issues, software issues within the AirPods that could prevent one of them from working and one not working. The first one is an obvious reason. Perhaps one of the earbuds or earpods has a charge to it and the other one is completely drained. In that case, I just simply go ahead and place them both back into the case. Make sure the case has a charge on it. If not, have to plug it in or sit it on a wireless charger and close it and wait for it to charge. That could bring up the power level of the one that is not, and you'll be able to listen to it after it finishes charging the AirPods. You'll be able to listen to both of them simultaneously and not just have one out. Another reason as to why one of them is playing and the other one is not could be, even though you have a full charge or charge in both of these AirPods, one of them is not connecting to the Bluetooth correctly. Now, this happens to everyone from time to time. And a way to resolve that is just to take both of the AirPods, take them out of your ears, place them back inside of the case, make sure your case has a charge to it, just simply close it and then opening it. And that resets the Bluetooth connection in a way to where both of them will start to work. So those are two different options I've given you that can get you on your way and listening to your favorite tunes. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.